name's Hannah and I work for J Parker's. Another common question we get asked is what is mulch and what's it used for? So mulch is a loose covering that you put on the surface of the soil. Common examples of this are composted bark, wood chippings, leaf mould and well-rotted manure, and they're used for several reasons. During the summer, mulch is good to use all over the garden really, because it helps retain moisture in the soil. In the winter it helps to let water penetrate the ground, and it also protects from frost, and it can also be used to improve the composition of the soil as well. So if you're using well-rotted manure, a lot of that nutrients will break down and go into the soil, so it's quite good if you're in an area with poor quality soil. It'll help boost that, which would be good for the plants. So you can use it all year round for loads of reasons, and if you want more information on mulch you can go to the RHS website.